In this quick video, I'll show you how to install Playstore in laptop Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So as you can see, I have Google Play Store installed on my Windows 11 and I'll show you the process how you can install it as well. So firstly, I need to uninstall it. In order to show you how you can install it, so first of all, open any browser in your Windows 11, then search on your browser play.google.com. Once you search it, it will show you this website. From here we can install Google Play Store. To install it, tap on the three dots on the top right corner, then go to save and share, and from here tap on install page as app, and then it will show you this pop-up. Choose your app name. I'll name it Play Store. Then click on install and the app will be installed in your computer. You can see it in my desktop as well. To open it, just double tap on it and you can access all the apps and features from this Google Play Store app. If you want to uninstall it in future, then tap on the three dots from top, then click on uninstall. Now click on remove and the app will be uninstalled from your PC or laptop. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.